If you think city life is wild, wait till you hear about the people who call the Amazon rainforest home. Ready to meet the real jungle dwellers? Let's dive in. Deep in the heart of South America, millions of people live in the Amazon rainforest, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. From the Yanomami and Kayapo to dozens more, these indigenous groups have adapted to live in perfect harmony with nature. Their homes are built from local wood and palm leaves, and their daily routines revolve around the rhythms of the forest, hunting, fishing, gathering fruits, and making herbal medicine from plants that most of us have never even heard of. But life in the Amazon isn't just about survival. It's about community, tradition, and protecting the land that gives them everything. They're the guardians of the forest, facing big challenges from deforestation and climate change. Next time you hear about the Amazon, remember, it's not just a jungle, it's home.